Now to the latest in the wrongful death lawsuit brought by the family of Byron Carter Jr. Carter was shot and killed by Austin police officer Nathan Wagner back on May 30th, 2011. Officer Wagner says he and his partner approached Carter and his friend who were sitting inside a car in East Austin. Wagner says the driver put the car in motion and that he felt his partner's life was in danger, so he fired 4 times into the vehicle. The driver was wounded and Carter was killed. Carter's family accuses Officer Wagner of racial profiling and using excessive force. Our Chris Sadeghi is covering the civil trial and is outside the federal courthouse right now, live with the latest. Hi, Chris.
Hello, Brian. Yesterday, we heard the story from the officers who were outside the car. Today, we hear the story from the driver who was inside the car with Byron Carter. But first, we heard Byron Carter Sr. talk about his son and the type of person he was. The father said that he and his son were always involved with sports and that if not for this lawsuit, Sr. would have never known what happened to his son because nobody from APD or the city bothered to tell him. Now, Carter Sr. is a city employee of 20 years, but one of the key witnesses in this entire trial is Lee Webb, the driver of the car that night. He testified that he and Carter went downtown for a party at Fuse, but no one was there, so they went back to their car. He did not see any officers and didn't realize anything was wrong until he heard Carter yell, "Go," in a voice that would suggest they were in some kind of danger. Now, Webb says he never saw an officer and did not hit anybody with his car. And during cross-examination, Nathan Wagner's attorney grilled Webb about his background. Neither Webb or Carter had a job at the time of the shooting. Webb was driving without a license, and they were headed to Fuse, which is a 21 and up bar. Carter was 20. Webb was only 16 at the time. As always, you can see more detailed accounts of the testimony on our website, kxan.com, and we keep it updated regularly throughout the day. Brian, back to you.